सन 80 के दशक में बी.आर. चोपड़ा की आई महाभारत में पांचाली का किरदार निभाने वाली अभिनेत्री रूपा गांगुली ने द्रौपदी के किरदार को छोटे पर्दे पर अपने बेजोड़ अभिनय से अमर कर दिया और उनकी एक्टिंग को आज भी सराहा जाता है। आज सास, बहू और बेटिया संग अभिनेत्री रूपा गांगुली ने ताजा की उस दौर की कुछ यादें और साथ ही बताया कि कैसे मिला उन्हें ये ऐतिहासिक किरदार निभाने का मौका।
More because I have not done anything to anything better or more prominent than Mahabharat, and the cult, the character Draupadi probably cannot be forgotten. The way Mr. Chopra and the whole team had created that, I don't think people can ever forget that. But in Bengal, since I have done a lot of other movies in all these 22 years, they don't call me Draupadi, but they call me by my name, Rupa. But they, of course, if anybody or anywhere we talk about Mahabharat, the first thing comes in their mind is Draupadi.
और जब बंगाल की अभिनेत्री रूपा गांगुली को मुंबई से कॉल आया और उन्हें इस किरदार के बारे में बताया गया, तो सबसे पहले रूपा गांगुली के दिमाग में क्या आया, क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ बात अभिनय की नहीं रह गई थी, उसमें तो रूपा पहले से ही कुशल थी। अब यहाँ पर बात बंगाल की आन बान और शान की थी, क्योंकि रूपा गांगुली के लिए इस माइथो प्रोजेक्ट के साथ साथ अपनी भाषा पे भी गजब का नियंत्रण करने का चैलेंज जो था।
Very difficult. It was very difficult. I really had to work hard on this. Harish Bhimani used to help us on the lines, and I used to dub for hours after the shoot. Sometimes till 4 o'clock in the night I was still dubbing and trying to perfect each and every word. And I am a perfectionist, so मैं छोड़ती नहीं हूँ कुछ भी। मैं भी लगी रहती थी और जो मेरे गुरु थे वो भी लगे रहते थे, तो बस डायलॉग के पीछे पड़े रहते थे हम लोग। When they had called me from Bombay, it was a big surprise for me. I didn't expect anything like that, nor was I ever interested to come to national industry. So it was more of a surprise element for me, and then it was a little scary and fun as well. Yes, I also got very worried because the whole of Calcutta was looking up to me with an expectation. They were thinking that Rupa Ganguly अगर ठीक से नहीं कर पाएगी perform तो बंगाल का नाम डूब जाएगा. You know, they were just looking up to me like that, so that I do it well and I keep Bengal proud of this, you know, all of us. So that was a big pressure on me. I enjoyed it, and it was a lot of hard work. I remember I used to go to the Film City at 5 o'clock every morning, and I used to take 2 hours for that whole get-up, that makeup and hairdo and so many layers of things on the top, and the jewelries and costumes. It used to take 2 hours every day. So I used to reach there by 5 sharp with the jharudar. Only the jharudar used to be there before me, or maybe sometimes after me, and my hairdresser, my makeup man. These three used to be there, and 7 o'clock we used to start the shoot, and we used to go on till 10 every night, every day.
फिर बात हुई महाभारत के सबसे चर्चित अध्याय की, जो था द्रौपदी का चीरहरण। इस सीन को फिल्माते वक्त रूपा गांगुली ने कुछ ऐसी दिलचस्प बातें बताई जो आपको भी जाननी चाहिए।
That Vastraharan portion where Dushasan is, you know, taking my sari off, and I'm just taking a turn slowly. That whole thing took 8 hours, one shift. Like, he kept on pulling my sari, and then I used to go to the makeup room, wear the sari again, and come back. And camera used to be on the other angle, and we used to start doing it again from the beginning. That went on for long 8 hours. He kept on pulling the sari. And बाद में I think they did some computer CG and Krishna was there somewhere and sari उनके हाथ से आ रहा था, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था. I remember one incident when we were just planning the sequence. We did not know what to do, how to do it. So मैंने उसको एक बार दांत से खींचा था. Then I said नहीं, हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता है, otherwise कृष्ण के पास till you give yourself completely, समर्पण ना करो तो कृष्ण हेल्प नहीं करने वाला है. So one had to have the both hands, together for the God. Then what I did, I tried to do this and then I planned, I asked Ravi ji, साड़ी को पहले ऐसे हाथ से पकड़ने की कोशिश करते, उसके बाद हाथ जोड़ के भगवान के पास बोलते हैं, उसके बाद तब तक क्या करेंगे, तो दांत से पकड़ के रखते हैं. I tried with my teeth, ऐसे करके दांत से पकड़ के भगवान से दुआ मांग रही थी, तो वही बट छूट जाता है, और जब से वो छूटता है तब से मैं घूमती रहती हूँ भगवान के ऊपर ऐसे करके. That's how we just designed it.
तब क्या हुआ जब B.R. चोपड़ा ने रूपा गांगुली को ऑडिशन के वक्त ही हंसने और रोने का एक साथ ही टास्क दे दिया, और इस मुश्किल चुनौती को रूपा गांगुली ने कितनी खूबसूरती से निभाया.
Tell you one thing, when I was called from Calcutta for the makeup test, look test, that was the first time I did something like that. I'd never done anything like that. क्या makeup करके कपड़े पहन के सच के देख खड़ा होना पड़ेगा, and I have to do some lines and all in front of them. So Chopra uncle थे, पापा जी थे, and all 5 people, the whole team, Narendra Sharma and all those, Shastri uncle, all of them were there. और मुझे याद है वो लोगों ने डायलॉग्स तो दिए थे मुझे, तो 1 पेज का लंबा डायलॉग था. मेरी हिंदी बहुत ख़राब थी, फिर भी मैंने कोशिश की. Then what they did, they asked me to laugh. Papa ji told me that, senior, Mr. B.R. Chopra, he told me that you laugh. You just laugh. So I started laughing, and I think I laughed for a few minutes. I started giggling and then started laughing. It became louder later, and I kept on laughing till they asked me to stop. And they immediately told me, cry. So I said, okay, keep the camera on for a while, I'll try. So I just thought of something, I started crying, and then I kept on crying aloud till they asked me to, okay, stop. So that was the kind of practice they made me do, and I remember that it was a very nice thing. It was very interesting. I was very worried. I didn't know whether I'll be able to laugh just like that or cry just like that for minutes together. एक बार एक लाइन पे मैं अटक गई थी और हर हाल में वो मेरे से बोला नहीं जा रहा था. I was, every time it was a 1.5 page dialogue of this big, A4 size script, 1.5 page dialogue, only mine. I was trying to remember, and every time I was coming at one particular point and I was, making a slip, could not manage. And Ravi ji said that it's a trolley shot, do it at one go, don't worry, you'll do it. So it was probably 3rd or the 4th take. Then somebody was there on the floor, said, Bangalan Rasgulla khane wali kya Hindi bolegi? It was much after Draupadi Vastraharan and sequences like that, but then it was 2 long lines. And then it was very nice of Ravi ji. He said, ठीक है. अभी evening हो ही रहा था, तो he said, okay, नाश्ता break है, सब जाओ. So he sent me to the room. He said, चलो, room में जा, मोटी. He used to call me मोटी. He said, room में जा, मोटी. Lines याद करके. Whenever you are ready, we'll do the shot. Nobody is going to call you till you're ready. So at one point of time, I just came back. I said, I'm ready. It was just a psychological thing which was happening every minute. It just went. After that break, and I said, रूपा गांगुली ये करना तो पड़ेगा, इज्जत का सवाल है, तो कर लो बंगालन. And I did it at one go. Next shot was one take, okay.
रूपा ने यह भी बताया कि शूटिंग के दौरान कैसे सारी यूनिट और बाकी के किरदारों के साथ उनका परिवार जैसा रिश्ता बुनता चला गया और वो देखते ही देखते महाभारत के मुख्य पात्रों में शुमार होने लगी।
Long association, we become a family in Mahabharat shooting, and the way Ravi Chopra and B.R. Chopra, the way they looked after all of us. Even a technician used to get the same water. Everybody used to get the same quality food. Everything was of extremely high class. We were pampered, looked after. We were just like a family. So that, I think I have never ever got this in my life. It varies from different areas and places. Somewhere Ramayana is more popular than Mahabharat. Somewhere Mahabharat has been more appreciated. I remember one more thing, like I asked Ravi ji one day, मैं उनको बॉस बुलाते थे, मैंने बोला बॉस आप मतलब हम सबका इतना देखभाल क्यों कर रहे हो, मतलब वाई लाइक मैं होटल में से I couldn't go to Ravi ji's house or B.R. Chopra's house by walking. I couldn't walk to the house. There was only one street in between. There is just one road in between my hotel and Ravi ji's house. But I was not allowed to walk to that house. They used to send me a car. वो गाड़ी रास्ता क्रॉस करके ऐसे वॉश में घुसाती थी. I used to get down from the lobby, get into the car, and just cross the road and go to the other side of the road. I asked him one day, why are you doing this? So they all laughed. Finally, I realized quite later that if they hadn't treated me like that, I would have never felt like a queen. I'm from a middle-class Bengali family where we have different values. We don't think ourselves as, prima donna or somebody very special in life. So that treatment, that attitude was given by them. They made me feel that, okay, you are so important, so famous and so important. You're a queen. So believe that you're a queen.
महाभारत जैसी ऐतिहासिक टीवी श्रृंखला में अपने बेजोड़ अभिनय से सबको अचंभित करने वाली रूपा गांगुली ने बंगाली फिल्मों का दामन कभी भी नहीं छोड़ा और एक से बढ़कर एक प्रोजेक्ट में नजर आती रही। मौजूदा समय में रूपा गांगुली राज्यसभा की मेंबर भी हैं, लेकिन अभिनय के प्रति उनका लगाव आज भी ज्यों का त्यों कायम है। लेकिन महाभारत में निभाए गए उनके किरदार द्रौपदी से जो उन्हें नेम और फेम मिला, वो आज भी उनके जीवन का सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज है।
नहीं, it's not like that. You explain a character in the mythology. It's not necessary to de-glamorize the character that much on the screen. After all, it's a screen. It's a make-believe world. And I remember all the trains used to stop in India. That used to be very interesting. Whichever stations they had television, शुरू तब टेलीविजन आ रहा था स्टेशंस में, तो दिल्ली वगैरह जहाँ पे टेलीविजन्स होते थे स्टेशन पे, तो ऑल द ट्रेन्स यूज्ड टू स्टॉप, टेक अ ब्रेक।
आज तक ब्यूरो।